Yeah, you give one certificate, yeah.
When I was signing the certificate, I saw this wonderful handwriting. But I asked myself, so if the talent as well as patience, that itself shows that whatever may be the smallest thing done with full commitment will be rewarded. You didn't think that he was for you, no? So he didn't think that for this appreciation he did. He did his work perfectly. So he gained appreciation. That is the message.
Now I request representatives of New Age Consultancy Services, Mr. Dayakar Rao, Mr. Visu, Mrs. Pragati, and other representatives to hand over a check for 3.43 lakh rupees to Honorable Governor Ma'am. This amount will be used to give cash prizes to all the winners today.
Hello? Fine. Thank you. Yeah.
Interact అవుతారు మైక్ రాబెట్టి
I'm so fortunate. I'm really thrilled to hear your voice. Thank you.
Now Honorable Governor would like to interact with few of the students who won the prizes today. So I will call some names randomly. Yeah. Yeah. Raunak Bey.
You now announce, let them prepare in their mind.
Okay.
So that after.
Yeah. Raunak Bey, P. Sweta, Nityashri, Maunika, Tejaswini. Rajeshwari. Yeah. Any of them? If you are ready, tell. మీరు పాస్ ఆన్ చేయండి మైక్. ప్లీజ్ రేజ్ హ్యాండ్ ప్లీజ్. యా
Jai Hind to one and all, and good afternoon. First of all, I would like to greet a warm greetings to our Honorable Governor Ma'am. Many more happy returns of the day, Ma'am. And happy Telangana Day, Telangana Formation Day to everyone. I am Lady Cadet Shweta from Telangana Social Welfare Residential Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College for Women. I am very happy to receive the award from the ma'am, and I am very thankful to our Honorable CM KCR sir, because he brought the idea of a woman join in armed forces and to take the preparation of army. And also I thank our Praveen Kumar sir to executing the vision of CM sir. And also I thank Colonel C.N. Reddy sir and Major Usha Sharma ma'am for executing the Praveen sir's and CM KCR sir's vision. Ma'am, you said that every student in Telangana will fly like a color. So I was the one of the color of that flying, ma'am, because I am very poor girl, but I have got an opportunity in Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College, and also I have good opportunity to take award from your hands, ma'am. And I would like to give a message to our country. I think there is no college like our college in the country, because we are getting so much of మాకు చాలా అవకాశాలు వస్తున్నాయి, మాకు చాలా ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వస్తున్నాయి. అక్కడ మాకు ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, ఒక ఆర్మీ పర్సన్ మాకు అది ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే, మా ఆఫీసర్ పర్సనాలిటీని డెవలప్ చేసుకోవడానికి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ. ప్లస్ అక్కడ మాకు ఏం నేర్పిస్తారంటే, ఫెయిల్యూర్ని లవ్ చేయడం. మేము ఏదైనా దాంట్లో ఫెయిల్ అయితే దాన్ని ఎలా లవ్ చేయాలి, దాన్ని లవ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ దాన్ని ఎలాగ మనం సక్సెస్గా మార్చుకోవాలనేది మాకు అక్కడ నేర్పిస్తారు. అదేవిధంగా మాకు ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు మ్యామ్కి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. జై హింద్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am, and a very happy birthday to you. I wish we could have sang a song for you, but I don't think it's possible. First of all, thank you very much for giving this opportunity, because once you finish your schooling or once you come out of your 11th and 12th, we often don't get opportunities to show out our talents, because everyone gets very engrossed in their professional lives, their career making and all. So this was a very refreshing opportunity for us. And relating to the situation, the COVID situation, I would like to just talk about just of what I've written. So firstly, yes, this COVID situation has brought a change of how people think about doctors. I myself am a medical student. I'm first year medical student at Bhaskar Medical College, Moinabad. Previously, doctors were thought like, they are just money making people. Like mostly people have that mindset, and even getting into a medical college or it's a stigma that, you know, getting in is all about spending money, and it's a whole lot of years. You'll start earning quickly, and it's all about earning every time when you choose a career. But this one such career, I'm not saying that any other career is less or something like that, but this is a very noble career, and hands down to every doctor, every compounder, or every nurse, everyone serving right now, because now without them, I think our country, or in fact the whole world, would have been in a chaos. So thank you, as even you are a doctor, and I think many are there over here. So a very big thank you to everyone who has chosen this profession, and also to every person who is out there who's still working, like our guards, our hygiene maintenance people, and many others who are still working, who were still working in spite of the lockdown. Though there was this COVID fear hovering upon all of us, and they still kept serving. A big thank you to them as well. I learned one thing, that nothing is big or small. Everything is important for the world to run in a systematic manner. Every profession, be it an engineer, be it the politicians, be it doctors, be it our housemates, everyone is very important for this world to run in a systematic way. And this COVID situation has taught us that, and I hope everyone starts respecting people whom we haven't respected till now, and also start taking this opportunity and of learning our own responsibilities towards our house, towards our state, our country, because I believe in this one thing, that if one person changes, looking at that one person, a family can change, that a society can change, and thereby, you know, the world can change. It's a very difficult thing, but yes, it is very much possible. And yes, ma'am, as you told, it's not about being an extraordinary person, it's about doing extraordinary work. And you need not be a high IQ level person to pursue anything big in life. It's all about hard work and your attitude towards life. So that's what I wanted to say. And thank you so much once again, ma'am. And thanks for everyone. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you very nicely presented. Because this is not in the program, but seeing you all with bright faces, if I allow each and everyone to talk, really will all talk very well. But anyhow, I wanted to give one or two students an opportunity. Thank you so much. Please thank you.
Now I request Honorable Governor to distribute the awards to the merit certificates and cash awards to the winners. All winners will receive merit certificate and cash awards. For first prize, the cash award is 15,000 rupees, and for second prize it is 10,000 rupees, and for third prize it is 5,000 rupees, and one consolation prize in each category, it is for 2,000 rupees. In fact, we are very conservative, a bit conservative in proposing the cash awards, but Madam has increased it threefolds. That is the liberal mindset of the Madam towards the students and higher education well-being. Now I read out the names. First, English language. In articles category, Mr. Raunak Baid, BBA second year, St. Joseph Degree College, Usmania University, first prize. Certificate of merit and cash award of 15,000. Miss M. Nikita, BSc second year, New Science Degree College, Kakatiya University, second prize. Miss K. Madhuri and Mr. T. Varun. This article was jointly written by them. Madhuri is BCom second year student, Government Degree College, Begumpet.
Mr. T. Varun, Bachelor of Hotel Management from Dr. Narayana College of Hotel Management, Usmania University. Both are from Usmania University. The consolation prize in articles category goes to Gajjala Sri Chandana. She is Pharma D student from Vageswari College of Pharmacy, JNTU, Hyderabad.
There is a lot of Pharmacy students now. They work for society and they change the society because they నేను చాలా బాధపడ్డాను మేడం. కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్లో మేము ఏం చేయలేకపోతున్నాం. ఈవెన్ ఆశా వర్కర్స్ పిహెచ్ఎంసీ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఏదో ఒకటి చేయగలుగుతున్నారు. మేము ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ 6 years కోర్స్ చదివి కూడా ఇంట్లో కూర్చుండి ఈ లైఫ్ మాకేంటి అని అనిపించింది మేడం. ఆ టైంలో ఈ ఛాన్స్ వచ్చింది. ఇది రాయడం వల్లనైనా మీకు కనీసం నేనేం చేయలేకపోయినా మా మమ్మీ ఒక్కటే చేస్తుంది. మీ చేతిలో కాకపోయినా ఇంకా హయ్యర్ లెవెల్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళ చేతిలోనే ఆయన జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను అనుకున్నదైతే చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా మేడం. మేము కూడా చదువుతున్నాము, లైఫ్ మీరు అన్నారు కాబట్టి చెప్తున్నా.
Pharma D student. Now English Stories category. Miss P. Sweta, MZC, Telangana Social Welfare Residential Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College for Women, Bongiri, Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda. Please give all winners a big round of applause so that they will be encouraged. Second prize goes to Bandi Devanand, BTech ECE second year, VBIT, Hyderabad, JNTU, Hyderabad. Third prize goes to Miss Shruti Medarametla, MBBS first year, Mahatma Medical College, Khammam, Mamata Medical College, Khammam, Kaloji Narayan Rao, University of Health Sciences. Consolation prize goes to Dr. Uma Ramana Prakhya, MDS second year student from MNR Dental College, Sangareddy, Kaloji Narayan Rao, University of Health Sciences. English poems. First prize Miss C.R. Nityasri, MBBS first year from Bhaskara Medical College, Kaloji Narayan Rao, University of Health Sciences. Dr. Isha Tiwari Arora, DM in Nephrology. Sir, DM in Nephrology. She is final year student in NIMS. She is third prize goes to L. Sankirtana, MCOM final year student, University College of Commerce and Business Management, Usmania University. Nagasrikar is there? Okay. Nagasrikar. No. Then Telugu language. In articles category, Miss Pebbeti Ramya Reddy, MBBS third year student from Kamineni Institute of Medical Sciences, Narkatpalli, under Kaloji Narayan Rao, University of Health Sciences. Miss D. Maunika, MBA second year, Satavahana University PG College, under Satavahana University. Third prize, Gudikandula Teja, BCom Computers first year, Bhavans Vivekananda Degree College, Usmania University. Consolation prize goes to Dr. Srinivas Reddy Atla, B.Ed Special Education for mentally retarded, first year, from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. In poems category, first prize Edavalli Saidulu, research student in Telugu, Usmania University. Edavalli Saidulu. ఇది తేజస్విని స్టోరీస్ వేరు ఎడవల్లి సైదులు రాజేశ్వరి. సెకండ్ ప్రైజ్ మిస్ రాపర్తి రాజేశ్వరి, BSc second year, Government Degree College, Bhadrachalam, Kakatiya University. Tarvata Ravindrachari. Manimadha Ramakrishna is there. Ramakrishna. So,
more opportunities for you. Continuously we will be announcing competitions for you. You can participate. Thank you. But drive, I like it.
Consolation prize goes to Mr. B. Ravindrachari, Diet College, Hanamkonda. Stories. Tejaswini. In Telugu stories, first prize Miss P. Tejaswini, MSc second year from Usmania University College for Women, Usmania University.
Oh, very good, very good. So it has motivated you, definitely, because this is the branch now people are hesitant to take. Yes. Thank you.
Second prize goes to G.D. Ramesh, research scholar, University Campus, Kakatiya University. Neha. Third prize goes to Miss Mulkula Neha, BDS, first year, Meghna Dental College, under Kakatiya, Kalaji Narayan Rao, University of Health Sciences. Consolation prize goes to V. Mahesh, MTech Structural Engineering, second year student, CMR Institute of Technology, under JNTU, Hyderabad. Now, Hindi language. First prize in poem category, Navyasri Sangam, BFS